So guys, welcome back to my new video. So today I'm going to tell you something which I learned after 5 years of continuous effort. And the thing I learned is that the more hard you try to achieve something, the more it will go away from you. And it is because of the fundamental law. And it is because of the fundamental law of the universe that whenever you want something very hard, and whenever you try to achieve something very hard, it will go away from you because you are emitting the frequency and your vibration was in lack. I mean, you are emitting the frequency and vibration of lack in the universe, that you don't have the thing, and the universe always respond to your state, not what you want. And yeah, that's why you are not able to achieve the thing in your want. So that's why you are not able to achieve the things you want in your life. It is because of the law of the universe, that it always responds to your state, that what your vibration and frequency is. And your frequency and vibration is of lack. You are emitting the lack frequency in the universe. So that's why I was also doing the same mistake before 5 years. I started my journey before 5 years, and now I'm 25 years old right now. So I always wanted to achieve bigger things, and I worked very hard. Worked very hard. I worked as a delivery boy, and I was good at studies, but somehow I quit my studies, and because I wanted to be successful. So yeah, I didn't find that I will be successful by doing the study. So I quit the study and I worked as a delivery boy. I tried multiple things, but yeah, I didn't able to achieve the success I want, because I didn't able to achieve the things I want because my vibration was different. And now I understand that my vibration was in lacking because I started reading a lot of books, and from those books I understand that my frequency was not right, because I was in a state of wanting, and I wanted things very hard, and that's why I was not able to achieve it. So yeah, from the previous 1 year I started applying one thing. I started accepting the things, that whatever is happening is right. I quit the habit of wanting very hard, because for example, if you have a soap in your hand, and the more hard you try to grab that soap in your hand, the more slippery it will become, and it will slip from your hand. So yeah, for that you have to just let the things go, that whatever is happening, your work is to work hard. Just work hard and just don't want anything. Just keep doing hard things and don't want something in your life, and always started accepting things, that whatever will happen will be happen best, and whatever will be happen, it will be best. So yeah, the day I started accepting the things, and from the day I started achieving things a little bit in my life, and from the previous 1 year I achieved, yeah, a little bit of financial freedom. I had purchased my iPhone from myself, my laptop, and I was able to earn a little bit amount of money. So yeah, it is so. If you want to achieve bigger things, you will have to change your vibration, and you have to change your frequency and vibration. So it is very important to be able to be successful. So guys, it's my personal thought which I wanted to share with you in this video, and I will meet you in another video with a new thought. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. So bye bye guys.